Hey there, stop! Imagine if in minutes from now you could get access to all the world's leading and most advanced premium AIs like ChatGPT-4, Gemini Pro, DALL-E 3, Leonardo AI Microsoft Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 3 Stable Diffusion, XL, and Palm 2 in a single dashboard without paying any monthly fees. Sounds like a life-changing deal? Look, the artificial intelligence is all over the internet. It has taken the world by storm, and marketers and business owners around the globe are now totally dependent on the world's leading AIs for their marketing and business growth. Wondering why? Well, that's simply because the world's top leading AI apps produces top-notch AI content, like AI images, graphics, videos, sales copies, and so much more just with a single keyword. And it is billions of times more intelligent and faster than humans. And the best part? These top AI apps let you skip all the hassles of creating world-class AI contents by yourself, while saving you time. In other words, the world's top leading AI apps is the new game changer in the online industry. But here is the problem. These world's best AI app collections is not free. It comes at a premium price. Top AI companies like ChatGPT-4, Gemini Pro, DALL-E 3, Leonardo.ai, Microsoft Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 3, Stable Diffusion XL, and Palm 2 are no joke when it comes to monthly pricing. It will leave you feeling like you just got hit by a financial tsunami. Let's face it, these top-tier AI apps don't come cheap. ChatGPT-4 charges a whopping $29 monthly for its AI contents. Google's super advanced AI, Gemini Pro, charges $33 monthly. OpenAI's DALL-E 3 charges $49 monthly for creating 3D artistic AI images and paintings. Leonardo AI charges $54 monthly for creating world-class AI art, images, and videos. And Microsoft's leading AI Copilot Pro charges $79 monthly for writing programming codes. And Meta's most advanced AI, Llama 3, charges $35 monthly for translating and answering complex questions. And Stable Diffusion XL AI charges $89 monthly for transforming text into stunning images and realistic portraits. And finally, Google's revolutionary AI Palm 2 is priced at $97 a month for developing powerful AI tools and apps. Well, altogether, these world's leading AI apps add up to a grand total of $12,117 annually, while leaving your wallet feeling empty. But what if there was a better way? Where you get access to all these world's leading most advanced AI apps in a single dashboard without spending a dime? Introducing OneAI, a never-seen-before AI app that lets you access all the world's leading and most advanced premium AIs like ChatGPT, 4, Gemini Pro, DALL-E 3, Leonardo AI, Microsoft Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 3, Stable Diffusion XL, and Palm 2 from a single dashboard without paying any monthly fees. And that's not all. Here's where it gets even better. OneAI lets you launch your very own all-in-one monthly AI subscription platform and lets you charge people any amount you want for using it. Finally, this groundbreaking AI app collection in a single dashboard pushes the boundaries of human intelligence and revolutionizes businesses and marketing like never before. Well, this revolutionary and most advanced premium collection of AI apps allows you to create world-class content and sales copies using the premium version of ChatGPT-4, craft stunning 4K HD AI images and art using OpenAI's premium DALL-E AI, create Ultra HD AI videos and realistic paintings using premium version of Leonardo AI, write high-in-demand HTML, CSS, and programming codes using Microsoft's leading AI, Copilot Pro, translate any language and get answers to your complex questions. With Meta's most advanced premium AI, Llama 3, transform text into stunning AI images and realistic portraits using Stable Diffusion XL AI, and develop powerful AI tools and apps using Google's revolutionary AI Palm 2. And the best part is that you can get all this done from a single dashboard with a single keyword in less than 2 minutes and without paying a single dime. Finally, this next-gen futuristic all-in-one app lets you fire all your expensive AI image and video designers, cancel all your expensive AI tools and services, and Access the world's leading AIs from a single dashboard with no monthly fees. Well, now it's time for you to experience the true power of this revolutionary AI app collection while generating non-stop commissions and sales like never before. Now with OneAI, you can start your very own AI image and video creation agency and charge anything. Craft and sell high-converting AI marketing materials for maximum profits. And start your very own monthly subscription-based AI app and charge people for using it. And that's not all. OneAI comes with commercial rights, giving you the license to print your very own money by selling limitless high-quality AI arts, images, and videos to your audience. Well, OneAI is the new age AI revolution that allows even complete newbies with zero technical experience to start profiting from day one. All it takes is just 3 dead simple steps. Step 1. Access. Grab a copy of OneAI to access all the world's leading AIs in a single dashboard. Step 2. Create world-class AI content, marketing materials, or anything you desire in just 60 seconds. Step 3. Profit. Start profiting by selling these high-in-demand marketing materials and content to your clients or on freelancing platforms like Fiverr and Upwork while filling up your pockets. And this doesn't get any better than this, my friend. After all, is there anything else out there that lets you access all the world's leading and most advanced premium AIs, like ChatGPT 4, Gemini Pro, DALL-E 3, Leonardo AI, Microsoft Copilot Pro, Meta Llama 3, and Palm 2 in a single dashboard, without paying any monthly fees? There isn't. So what are you waiting for? Right now, you have an early bird discount on this page which gives you full lifetime access to OneAI just at the price of a cheap t-shirt. However, this discount won't be available to everyone. Once our capacity is reached, we will be closing our doors for good. Then do not delay any longer. It's a risk-free decision anyway, as you're backed by our 30-day money-back guarantee. So what are you waiting for? There is no way for you to lose here. With that being said, take the plunge. Click the button below right now to get a copy of OneAI at the lowest one-time price. We'll see you inside.